Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video we look at how to configure a VPC peering which establishes the communication between two VPCs. So I'm creating my VPC here, VPC 1. So VPC 1 is created. I'll create one more VPC called VPC 2 and will establish communication between this both VPCs. VPC 2 is from a IP range of 172.2.16.0.0/16. I'll also enable DNS host names here. Create a subnets for both the VPCs. I'm creating subnet for the VPC 1, subnet 1 VPC 1. Here NV in the sense North Virginia I'm giving just for my identification. Okay, so I selected my VPC 1, launching in availability zone East US. Now let's create a subnet for VPC 2. Now we'll create two internet gateways and we'll attach the VPCs to those internet gateways. The second internet gateway for VPC 2. Now let's attach this. Go to route tables. Similar, we did it in our previous video. Here we are doing it for both VPCs. Don't forget to associate the subnets. Then go to route tables and edit routes. Everything is explained in my previous video, so I'm not explaining it here. Now go to instances, launch instances in VPC 1 and VPC 2. Make sure you select the correct security group while launching the instance. Now we'll check the communication between both the instances. Now logging into instance 2 in VPC 2. As you can see, the communication is not happening. We need to establish a VPC peering between both the VPCs in order to get communicated. So let's go and create a VPC peering. Click on VPCs, Scroll down, go to peering connections, create a peering connection, provide a name for peering connection. I'm giving VPC1 to VPC2. Select the requester as VPC1, acceptor as VPC2. Now go and create the peering. It's pending for acceptance. Go to actions, accept the request. Go to route tables and create a route table. Add routes to the route table. The VPC2 IP address range here. Here we need to select peering and peering connection. Same with the route table 2. Create a route to VPC1 here, 10.0 we have to provide. So both the side routes we have configured. Now if you can see, the routing is established. So till now it is on two VPCs in the same region. Now let's go to the other region and create a VPC and establish a connection between this North Virginia and Ohio region VPCs. So I'm creating a VPC here. We call it as peering between two different regions. All similar steps. Go to subnets, create a subnet, later internet gateway, and then configure routes. Go to security groups, create a security group as well. Now go and launch an instance in this region using the VPC we created. Log into that instance using putty and check the communication for the instance in North Virginia region. As we already know, the communication will not happen because the peering is not established here. Let's go and establish the peering between these two regions. And go to VPC, scroll down and go to peering, create a peering connection, provide a peering name, requester is this region VPC, and check on other region. Copy the ID of this VPC ID. Copy the VCP acceptor ID. As you can see, it is pending acceptance. Go to North Virginia and accept the request. So accept. We have to add a routes. VPC1 in North Virginia is 10.1, so I'm giving it here. save routes. Same I also need to do in North Virginia VPC1. I need to provide Ohio VPC1 route here, 190.168. Now the peering is done, so the communication has been started. That's it for this video. Hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.